High above the picturesque Italian town of Carrara, a breathtaking sight awaits. White peaks rise dramatically into the sky, their brilliance visible from miles away. These mountains are not just a natural wonder, they are a testament to the Earth's hidden artistry, shaped over countless millennia. At first glance, these peaks might seem like ordinary snow-capped mountains, but look closer, and you'll discover their secret. Beneath the rugged surface, giant blocks of marble are hidden, embedded deep within the stone. These immense slabs have been formed by nature's slow, patient hand, waiting to be revealed. From a distance, the mountains glisten under the Italian sun, their surfaces so bright and pure that many mistake them for snow. But this is no ordinary rock. It is Carrara marble, one of the world's most prized and sought-after stones, renowned for its dazzling whiteness and subtle, elegant veining. This marble is truly special. Its color is a luminous, creamy white, and its surface is so smooth that it almost feels soft to the touch. Artists and architects have cherished Carrara marble for centuries, using it to create masterpieces that stand the test of time. Today, Carrara marble is celebrated across the globe. From grand palaces and cathedrals to modern luxury interiors, its beauty graces some of the world's most iconic buildings and homes. Its reputation for quality and elegance is unmatched. When you visit these mountains, you'll find a landscape alive with activity. The air is cool and crisp, echoing with the sounds of industry. Workers and machines move with purpose, carefully extracting the marble that has lain hidden for ages. The rhythmic hum of cutting saws and the deep rumble of drilling equipment fill the valley. Each block is carefully separated from the mountain, a process that requires both skill and respect for the stone's natural beauty. Deep within the quarry, untouched blocks of marble rest in silence, waiting for their moment to emerge. Each piece holds the promise of transformation, ready to become a sculpture, a floor, or a work of art that will be admired for generations. At the foot of these majestic mountains lies the town of Carrara. Its streets and buildings are shaped by the marble industry, and its people share a deep connection to the stone that surrounds them. For centuries, families here have passed down the craft of working with marble from one generation to the next. It is more than just a job, it is a way of life, woven into the fabric of the community. The people of Carrara are proud of their heritage. Their town is filled with monuments and sculptures, each telling a story of skill, tradition, and pride in their rich stone and history. Carrara's marble is truly a hidden treasure, concealed within the mountains until it is uncovered by human hands. Each discovery is a reminder of the Earth's incredible power to create beauty. The story of Carrara marble begins deep within the Earth. Millions of years ago, layer upon layer of sediment was compressed and transformed by heat and pressure, slowly forming the pure marble we see today. The journey from mountain to mansion is long and full of challenges. Each block travels from the heart of the mountain through skilled hands and careful craftsmanship, before finally finding its place in the world as a symbol of luxury, artistry, and timeless beauty. Carrara marble is not just any stone, it is a masterpiece of nature, shaped over unimaginable spans of time. Its beauty and strength have made it famous around the world, but its story begins deep beneath the surface of the earth. The journey of Carrara marble started as simple limestone, formed from the remains of ancient sea creatures and shells that settled on the ocean floor over 200 million years ago. Layer upon layer, these sediments built up, creating thick beds of limestone beneath ancient seas. Over millions of years, the Earth's crust shifted and moved. Immense pressure and intense heat from deep within the planet began to act on the limestone, slowly transforming it. This process, called metamorphism, is what turns ordinary limestone into extraordinary marble. Deep underground, where temperatures soared and pressure was immense, the limestone's structure changed. The minerals inside the rock recrystallized, and the stone became denser and harder, evolving into marble. Tiny, interlocking crystals formed within the marble, giving it a unique sparkle and a smooth, luminous surface. These crystals are what make Carrara marble so hard, bright, and durable, perfect for sculpture and architecture. As the marble formed, minerals like iron and graphite seeped into the stone, creating the beautiful lines and patterns known as veins. These veins are the marble's signature, each one telling a different story of the Earth's history. Some veins are soft gray, while others shimmer with hints of gold or blue. The variety of colors and patterns is endless, making each slab of Carrara marble truly unique. No two pieces of marble are ever exactly the same. Each block is a one-of-a-kind creation, shaped by the forces of nature over millions of years. Every block of Carrara marble has its own story, written in stone. Quarry workers carefully examine each piece, searching for the perfect patterns and colors that will become works of art. The Apuan Alps, where Carrara is located, are a treasure trove of marble. These mountains are world famous for their pure, high-quality stone and have supplied marble for centuries. Powerful movements in the Earth's crust push these ancient rocks upward, forming the dramatic peaks and valleys of the Apuan Alps. This uplift brought the marble closer to the surface, where it could finally be discovered and quarried. Even today, much of the marble remains hidden deep inside the mountains, protected by layers of rock. Only through careful quarrying can these precious stones be revealed. The entire process, from ancient sea to shining stone, takes millions of years. It is a slow, patient transformation, shaped by the forces of nature and time. The result is marble that is not only strong and pure, but also full of life and character. Its luminous surface and intricate veins make it a favorite for artists, architects, and designers. That is why Carrara marble is so valuable. It is more than just a building material. It is a piece of Earth's history, a natural wonder that brings beauty and elegance wherever it is used. Carrara marble has a long history. The Romans used it for famous buildings like the Pantheon and Trajan's Column. They valued its beauty and strength. Marble from these mountains became a symbol of power and wealth. During the Renaissance, artists loved Carrara marble. Michelangelo, the great sculptor, came here himself. He chose his own blocks for statues like David. He called it the most perfect marble in the world. Many artists after him used Carrara marble for their greatest works. Kings, popes, and rich families wanted marble for palaces and churches. Even today, people use it for luxury floors, walls, and art. Carrara marble is timeless. It links the past to the present. Every piece of Carrara marble carries this story. From ancient Rome to modern mansions, it remains the stone of dreams. The search for marble starts high in the mountains. Quarry workers look for the best spots. They study the rock, looking for color, strength, and patterns. Not all marble is pure. Some blocks are better than others. Once they find a good place, workers mark the stone. They draw lines on the surface to show where to cut. These marks must be very precise. One mistake can ruin a whole block. Drills make deep holes along the lines. These holes help guide the cutting machines. Workers check the marble again and again. They want to be sure it is strong with few cracks. Finding the right block is not easy. It takes skill, experience, and a careful eye. Every block is valuable and every decision matters. Cutting marble is hard work. It requires strength, patience, and a deep understanding of the stone itself. Marble is not only heavy but also tough and unforgiving, making every cut a challenge for those who work in the quarries. In the past, workers used hammers and chisels. These simple tools demanded incredible skill and endurance. Each block was shaped by hand, with every strike carefully measured to avoid cracking the precious stone. The process was slow and exhausting, and it could take days or even weeks to free a single block from the mountain. Today, they use modern machines. Technology has transformed the quarrying process, making it faster, more efficient, and much safer for workers. Heavy machinery now does much of the lifting and cutting, reducing the physical strain on laborers. The most important tool is the diamond wire saw. This revolutionary machine has changed the way marble is extracted, allowing for precise and clean cuts that were impossible with hand tools. It is a long, thin cable with tiny diamonds on it. These industrial diamonds are embedded along the wire, creating a cutting surface that is both flexible and incredibly strong. Diamonds are the hardest material on Earth, and they can cut through tough marble. As the wire moves, the diamonds grind away at the stone, slicing through even the thickest blocks with remarkable precision. The saw moves slowly back and forth, slicing the stone. This gentle, controlled motion helps prevent cracks and ensures that each block is cut to the exact size needed for construction or sculpture. Water flows over the blade to keep it cool and to wash away dust. This cooling process is essential, as the friction from cutting generates intense heat that could damage both the wire and the marble. This makes the cut smooth and safe. The water also helps to reduce airborne dust, protecting workers' lungs and keeping the work environment cleaner. Sometimes, workers use special drills and wedges to help break the block loose. These tools are carefully placed in drilled holes, and gentle pressure is applied to split the marble along natural lines. Hydraulic machines add extra power. These powerful devices can exert tremendous force, making it possible to separate even the largest blocks from the quarry face. They use water pressure to push the block away from the mountain. By harnessing the force of water, workers can move massive pieces of marble with surprising ease and accuracy. This is called hydraulic separation. It is a modern technique that minimizes damage to the stone and allows for larger, more valuable blocks to be extracted intact. It is a careful process. Workers must monitor every step, watching for signs of stress or cracks in the marble, and adjusting their methods as needed to protect the stone. If done wrong, the marble can crack. A single mistake can ruin an entire block, wasting days of work and valuable material. Modern tools make the work faster and safer, but it is still a job for skilled hands and sharp eyes. The expertise of the workers ensures that each piece of marble is cut perfectly, preserving its beauty for use in buildings, sculptures, and art around the world. A single block of Carrara marble can weigh as much as 30 tons. Moving it is a huge challenge. Workers use cranes and heavy machines to lift the blocks. These machines must be strong and steady. The roads down the mountain are narrow and steep. Even today, the journey is risky. Trucks must move slowly to avoid accidents. One wrong move, and a block could tumble down the hillside. Safety is always the top concern. Workers wear helmets and bright vests. They use walkie-talkies to talk with drivers and spotters. Sometimes, they must stop and clear rocks from the road. Every trip down the mountain is tense, but with skill and teamwork, the marble makes it to the valley below. Once in the valley, the blocks are loaded onto bigger trucks. These trucks take the marble to factories. The journey is not over yet. The roads twist through small towns and busy highways. Transporting marble is expensive. Each block must be tied down with chains. Drivers must watch for bumps and sharp turns. Rain can make the roads slippery. Sometimes police escorts guide the trucks through crowded streets. At the factories, workers unload the blocks carefully. Each block is marked and checked for damage. The journey from mountain to factory is long, but it is just the start of a new chapter. Carrara's marble is now ready for its transformation. Inside the factory, the marble blocks are measured and inspected. Workers check for cracks and pick the best way to cut each block. Giant saws slice the marble into thick slabs. Each cut is slow and careful. The slabs move on conveyor belts to polishing machines. These machines use diamond pads and water to make the surface smooth and shiny. Workers watch closely and make small adjustments. They want every piece to be perfect. Some slabs are cut into tiles, countertops, or special shapes for art. Each piece is labeled, wrapped, and prepared for shipping. The factory is loud, busy, and full of dust and water spray. At the end of this stage, the marble is ready to show its true beauty. When the marble is cut and polished, its secret patterns appear. Every slab is different. Some have thin gray lines, others have bold golden veins. These veins are made by minerals trapped in the stone millions of years ago. Buyers look for special patterns. Some like clean white marble, others want wild, dramatic veining. No two pieces are the same. This is what makes Carrara marble so valuable. It is a natural work of art. Marble is not perfect. Small cracks or spots are normal. Skilled workers fix these with special resins. They polish the surface until it shines like glass. Each slab tells a story. The patterns are nature's signature, making every piece unique. Today, Carrara marble is found in luxury buildings, art, and homes around the world. It covers floors in fancy hotels and lines the walls of famous museums. Artists carve it into statues and fountains. Designers use it for kitchens and baths. Marble brings beauty and history to every space. It reminds us of the earth's power and the skill of people who shape it. From the mountain to the mansion, every step is a mix of danger, craft, and passion. The journey is long and hard, but the result is timeless. Carrara marble is a gift from the mountains, transformed by human hands into something lasting and beautiful. From deep inside the earth to the heart of a home, Carrara marble's story is one of wonder and pride.